Hello and thank you for watching. In this short video, we are going to go over the notes and the fingering for an A major 1-octave scale. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out which notes and keys on the piano we're going to play for this scale using the solfège pattern above of whole steps and half steps. So in this case, Do is going to be A for this scale. So Do to Re, whole step. Re to Mi, whole step. Notice we're going to skip that white key, skip one key on the piano, makes a whole step. Then Mi to Fa, half step, kind of squished in there. Fa, So, whole step. So, La, skipping that white key, whole step. And then La to Ti, that whole step looks a little bit different. We're skipping the white key. And then Ti, Do. So our A major scale is A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. You'll see when you look on your scale above 3 sharps, and the sharps are written before the notes so you know to play a half step higher. Sharps are usually black keys, but not always. So what we're going to do to lock in the fingering for the scale is we're going to clump the notes together before a cross under. So it's going to look like this. We'll start with our thumb. So you see the little yellow circle after finger 3. So we're going to clump together 2 and 3. Thumb's going to go under, and then we're going to clump together 2, 3, 4. Pinky by itself. Clump 4, 3, 2. Thumb, 3, 2. Thumb. One more time. So for your right hand, your thumb is crossing under on D. One at a time. Cross with 3. Left hand, we're going to start with a big clump, 4, 3, 2. Thumb, then cross and play the 2 black keys, fingers 2 and 3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, pinky. Let's do that one more time. Clump 4, 3, 2. Thumbs on E for the left hand. 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, pinky. Here it is one at a time. Cross with 3. Coming down, cross after 3. Now, if you look above on your 1-octave scale, hands together, you're going to notice 2 little pink boxes on the 3rd finger. It's just a reminder that finger 3 plays together in scales with this fingering. And so something's always going to be happening on 3. That's what I like to say. So we'll start with pinky on Do, A, left hand, thumb on Do for the right hand, A. Here we go. Something's going to happen on 3, right hands crossing under. Something's happening on 3, left hands crossing over. We get to the top, back down. Something's happening on 3, left hand thumb crossing under. Something's happening on 3, right hand 3 crossing over. Here it is one more time. Thank you for watching this short video on A major 1-octave scales. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique. Thanks again for watching.